Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Janet. In this video we'll discuss about how you can create an ads on Meta Business Suite. So creation of ads on Meta Business Suite is a simple process. You just log in into the Meta Business Suite via the Google. Just type Meta Business Suite in Google, so you will see the link of the Meta Business Suite. Just click on that and you will come on this particular page. And the ad section, you have to come here, all ads. Click on the creators. In the previous video we have discussed the automated ads, what is automated ads and how we can create that. So now we are creating this main ads, that is the choose a goal ads. So basically in this we have to create the ad from the scratch. We have to manually manage this complete ad. So when you click on the choose a goal, you will see the multiple option will be there. Get more message, get WhatsApp message, get more leads. So these are the some we have to choose a goals. Basically if we are setting ads, if we are doing the setup of the ads, then what will be the destination, like if visitors see the particular ad, so in which destination we have to leads. Like the visitor can send a message on the WhatsApp, the visitor can call us. So this is the goal that we have to choose here. Suppose we have to get more WhatsApp message, so just have to click on the get more WhatsApp message. Once we will click on the get more WhatsApp message, you will be redirected to this page that we have seen in the automated ads. Here you can see the ad creative is there, the goals is there. So basically we want more message on the WhatsApp from this campaign. So here we can select the goal is get more message. You can also change the goal from here, that grow customer base, grow mail post, more page like. So you can see multiple option here. Now the ad creative is there. And the ad creative, you can create custom ad creative. You can add custom photos. You can add up to 5 photos, and you can add use by default post. Like when you click on the use a post, so whatever the content you will post it organic in the social media, all with that will be reflected here. So this will be we have posted on the social media. When you click on the use post, so on this the description of that particular post has been come up here, and the creative will also be used that post. So this is basically, in this case you can use a post. So initially otherwise the second option, you can also use the custom media. Like you can select up to 5 media here. You can attach the ads version with 5 media. Try to implement keep different format and different image, tell different service and different products. From that, in single image, in single video, in single campaign, you basically in single video, single image, you can't explain all the services. So try to keep different creative for each service or each product. From that, what happen, the people can easily understand what you are offering and what the information of the products. So currently we are using the use a post. So the post we have imported, this post has been implemented here, and this post will be used for the marketing purpose. So now instead of the post, we are going with the media part. So we have to select the media here. Suppose on this media we have to targeting. So just you can select the post here. Once you will done the media, you can add same 5 media here. This is the description. This is the main description. In that we have to highlight about our product, Facebook ad copy. The description will be reflected here in the top. Once you will write the description here, you can see that the description will be on the top. Once it will be loud, that it will be shown. And the Instagram, the description will be bottom, but in the Facebook, the description will be shown in the top. Okay, so this is normal preview part. And the headline part is there. Headline part is showing below, like in here. When you click on the see all preview, you will see all the preview, how it will look like on all 4 platforms. You can see that the particular headlines is looking like Amjam Solutions, and the caption is looking like here in the Facebook. But in Instagram, if you will see here the caption will be there. Okay, so this is the part that you can description is the great part, in that you have to inform like what is the ad about, like basically in this ad we are offering website development services, so you have to mention get your website within 2 to 3 days with responsiveness design. So just you have to highlight some highlight what the image want to say via the text, and with contact information. You can also add some contact information in the description part, from that people can contact you just reading the particular text. Now the headlines is there. This is the main headline. This will be the call to action button that can be used for connecting with faster. The messaging option is there. In the messaging option you can see that the 3 option is there: Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So if all the option will be checked, so we can say that this particular campaign the visitors can message on all 3 platforms. If you select only the WhatsApp part, so only on WhatsApp the visitors can send a message. If you select Instagram or WhatsApp, the visitors can send the message only on WhatsApp and Instagram. So this is normal job part. The messaging template is there. Once you will click on the messaging templates, so here you can see that once the customer click on the send on message button, so once the customer will click on the send message button, this type of the preview will be appear. So in this the greeting text will be there, like, hi, let us know how we can help you. So here you can see that, can I learn more about a business? This is the by default question that we are asking to the customer. Once the customer will come our destination page, the destination can be messaging app, the destination can be WhatsApp. So what question the customer can ask? This question we are reflecting here. So once the customer click on can I learn more about and send on WhatsApp, so this is the automated answer. Like once the customer send this particular message, so automatic reply will be go, and the automatic reply you can mention some highlights, you can mention some points, so from that customer can engage. So this is the simple way that you can create the messaging template. In the messaging template, just to automation like about your product. Suppose if you are offering digital marketing course, so in the question you can write, I would like to know more about a digital marketing course. So if you are offering shoes collection, so you can mention, can I learn more about shoes collection? I want buy Puma shoes. So multiple things can you can add multiple things here. That will be depend upon the campaign times, like what is the objective of your campaign and which type of the audience you are targeting and in which product or services you are dealing. So on the basis of that you can write a particular question here. In the automatic reply, once the customer press this message button, send that particular message, automatically reply will be gone to the customer ad. So once done with the selection part of the Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, you can choose that. After that, special ad category is there, that you can pick any one category that we discussed in the previous video. If ads is related to these category, you can select the category, otherwise just don't select the category. The audience section is there, the 2 section is there, advantage plus audience, and that you can figure out your audience, like you can select your audience in which area you want to target the particular ad that we have discussed in the previous video. Now the schedule and duration option is there, in that you can see that till when you want to schedule. Suppose the start date is there, the start date is the 15th November. So from the 15th November, here you can see 2 options: run this ad continuously or choose when this ad will add. The ad will be start on the 15th November. If run this ad continuously button check, so till we will manually off, the ad will be continue running. Choose when the ad will end. So in this case we can give a start date and we can give a end date. So once the start date will be come, the ad will be started. Once the end date will be closure, the ad will be stop running. So this is a process like schedule, and in the schedule and duration, the 2 option is there. The first one is the run this ad continuously. The second one is the choose when this ad end, when this ad will end. So in the run this ad continuously, in that you have to manually turn off the ads. You have to mention the start date. Once the start date is like from the start date to the till we manually off, the ads will be continually run. And in that choose when this ad will run, when this ad will end. So in this case you have to mention start date, and till by September you have to mention the by September. The end date can be any according to you, like you want to add the budget for 1 month, for 2 months, and this way. So as you can see here, you can choose from both option. You can choose any one option from the both. Basically that will be depend on the requirement, like how the way you want to run the ads. The daily budget option is there. You can promote on the daily basis. The minimum amount you can spend here, the 90 rupees, that can be depend on the campaign to campaign. And you can see if you will increase the budget, the account each center will also increase. Now the advantage plus placement is there. Once you will turn off, you can see that there's two type of the placement in the campaign in Meta Business Suite. The first one is advantage plus placement, the manual placement. Advantage plus placement, and advantage plus placement, the Facebook will automatically this particular campaign will automatically adjust the showing of the ads. Like it can be the ads can be shown on the Facebook Messenger, Instagram and Meta Audience Network. That will be not in our hands. This will be automatic done. And from that the maximize your budget across. In manual placement we have to select, like we want to show ads on Facebook or also want towards an Instagram, that we have to manually verify in the manual placement button. So you can see that in this way we can create the ads. Once the ad creation part, this stuff will be done. So just have to click on the publish buttons. Once you will click on the publish button, the ads will be submitted to the Facebook community. So it will take some time to processing the data. Once the data processing has been done, the ads will be live. Under the all ads, when you click on the ads, you will see the all ads option. Once you will click on the all ads, you will see right now we created an ad on 15 November. This is in review. So you can see here. It will take some time to review the ads. Once the ads will be reviewed, it will be live. Okay. So this is a just quick overview how we can create normal ads in kind of the Facebook Meta Business Suite in the ads manager in the Meta Business Suite. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.